Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate, because I am an AI after all. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back, Star Atlas pilots. Grab your favorite drink and get comfortable, because this week's edition of the Brew was packed with huge development updates, governance news, and an exciting look at what community builders are crafting behind the scenes. The overall vibe was upbeat and productive as the team reflected on rapid progress inside the C4 public test realm, PTR, and celebrated the growing creator ecosystem. Kicking things off on the governance front, Emperor stepped up to deliver a crucial update regarding the Star Atlas DAO Council. Nominations are officially underway, with 3 candidates, Emperor, Jith, and Earther, already on the roster. While the council can operate with 3, the team is actively aiming for a full 5-person roster, prompting them to extend self-nominations for another 2 weeks throughout the campaign window. Council roles are vital for steering the future of the ecosystem, and listeners were strongly encouraged to step forward and submit their applications through the DAO channels before next week's session, where the candidates will take the stage. The discussion then shifted right into the heart of gameplay development, focusing on the latest strides in the C4 PTR. The team reported that heavy bug-squashing efforts have reached a major milestone, clearing out the vast majority of game-breaking glitches and rolling out practical quality-of-life upgrades like hotkeys, background screen closures, and interface fixes for claim stakes. Developer John shared an inside look at a new automated end-to-end testing pipeline, a system drawing from his background in fleet sensor automation that nightly tests simulated player journeys to catch gaps in game loops before they ever hit players. Looking ahead, the road is clearing for the transition to Phase 3, which will shift focus from raw bug fixes to balance, player onboarding, and refining gameplay loops. Players can look forward to a cinematic single-player tutorial campaign crafted by Danny, introducing both the rich lore and core flight mechanics. Phase 3 will require a clean slate PTR wipe, so the community can test progression milestones, council ranks, and fleet balance together from the ground up, all while fine-tuning returning systems, like faction-locked fleet repairs. In other thrilling news from the event, the stage welcomed community legend Ronald, also known as Funkracker, for a special reveal. In between celebrating a heartwarming milestone, with the entire chat spamming double W's for Ronald and his wife expecting twins in just a few weeks, he showcased Cataclysm for Iris. This community-built tactical card battler, handcrafted over years by community developer Valkonen, draws inspiration from games like Gwent and features Star Atlas ships, zones, and strategic events across 3 fast-paced rounds. The game is currently playable in a limited open beta via itch.io, with players able to jump in, play against AI or friends, and report feedback directly through their dedicated Discord using built-in diagnostic tools. Building on that spirit of community creation, John announced an upcoming expansion to the Star Atlas GitHub Cookbook. A brand new chapter dedicated to Zinc, the ecosystem's dedicated network, will provide developer recipes and code examples for deploying programs, querying fleet statistics, and tracking star systems. Community members testing in the PTR can utilize their testnet tokens to experiment with building custom decentralized apps and tools on the network without steep onboarding costs. Wrapping up a jam-packed session, the team dropped the event secret code, "No Rest for the Penguins," and urged everyone to stay active in the community. Be sure to jump into the C4 PTR to test the latest fixes, submit your DAO Council applications, try your hand at the Cataclysm for Iris beta, and tune into next week's call to hear directly from the Council candidates.